Hi, I'm Diana. We are given this Nebula pool crawler in return for this video. This boy is heavy. It is no lightweight. We're going to go ahead and test drive it out. I'm going to talk about all the features and tell you what we think. Check it out. Designed for in-ground pools, the Nebula pool robot is built to handle large spaces, efficiently cleaning pools up to over 3,200 square feet. And with the flow rate of over 5,550 gallons per hour, it tackles even the biggest pool cleaning jobs with ease. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor and 2 rolling brushes, along with 3 side brushes, this robot ensures a thorough and deep cleaning every time. The Nebula charges in about 2.5 hours, which is far faster than most other robots out there. To get started, simply unplug the power cord and securely cap the power outlet. The Nebula offers 4 versatile cleaning modes: Smart Cleaning, Wall Only, Floor Only, and Classic mode. To begin, lower the robot into the water and watch it sink slowly to the bottom. Within a few moments, it will start moving automatically and begin cleaning the pool. As you can see, the robot gets going and it even climbs up the walls. It will extend just above the waterline to efficiently clean the area above the surface. Let's take a closer look at the unit in action. After about 150 to 180 minutes, the robot will automatically stop. Use the included hook to easily lift the Nebula out of the water. Open the unit and remove the debris-filled basket. Even though our pool was pretty clean to begin with, the Nebula was still able to find a lot of little twigs and debris. Cleaning the basket is super easy. Just spray it out with the hose, reinsert it back into the unit, and it's ready for the next cycle. All right, here's the final verdict on the Nebula. We've been using it now for about 4 days. It did an excellent job. We had no problems with it getting hung up on anything. It went up the walls, no issue there. The only thing that it didn't do, it didn't get up on the steps and the little walk-in steps over here. It didn't get up on there. We sweep those off anyway, so not a big deal. But it did an excellent job. We have no issues whatsoever. This thing is really built solid. It's like a little tank. So if you're looking for a workhorse machine with a great price point, definitely check this one out. I'm very impressed. It's a winner. Check it out.